Well, I'm out here today cooking some chicken thighs for my little best friend in the house in there, my little four-legged best friend. And they're just about done. That piece right there is humongous. That's got to be a turkey thigh. That thing it's bigger than my hand. And then the guy right next to him, he's a midget. Well, they look pretty good though. Wish I hadn't have told him I was cooking them. He's going to expect them now. I can't eat them for myself. Oh well. Got my firefighting equipment there. This old grill likes to catch on fire every now and then. I have to put it out. So, let's sit out here listening to a little bit of big band music. Trying to clear my head after running errands and getting all the materials and things I need together, including getting all this propane. I had to go get 2 tanks of that filled, which wasn't bad. It's gotten a lot cheaper now. And I'm looking for parts for my roof repair and to finish putting on the chimney stuff. I got the stainless steel cap right here, and then I've got an extra piece I don't need, a T, and then I've got the coupling for the roof cap and all to hold it in place. It's got a clamp built into it. I'm going to have to buy me another air compressor. I need this air compressor this morning to pump the tire in the trunk before I go to work, or go to town. Wish I could go to work. And then an air compressor froze up on me. So I don't know what's going on with that, but it wouldn't pump any air. It runs, but it won't pump air. So I don't know if it's frozen or stuck or what. It may have gotten wet in there in a switch somewhere and froze up, but I'll figure it out. I'll find something else to replace it. But can't do it so much when it's freezing cold out. The only reason I'm out here doing this is because it does provide a little bit of heat to keep me warm while I'm standing here. And the other reason, the main reason, is because I love my little buddy to death and I got to do this for him. I do this a couple times a week, about every 6 days. It depends on how many pieces in a package I get, because he'll eat three pieces of chicken a day. But I try and break them up and not give him chicken all the time, because some of it's a little too rich. And he needs his regular dog food and dry food in order to get a little bit of extra nutrients, to get a little better variety of nutrients, I should say. So I thought I'd check in and let y'all know that I'm still kicking. I'm still hiding from the virus too. It's creeping up on us. Our town's got a couple cases. That's what the rumor mill is, but they're super mild cases apparently, and they're not life-threatening or anything like that, or hopefully not any side effects. And I pray that they get better. So, I hope y'all have a good day again, and I will talk to you later. Have a good one.